Oh no, I'm sideways, okay. Oh. Another day. Another race. I'm not feeling it. Alright, back for another challenge. Night at Balls Bro Karting. My nose itches like crazy. It will not stop itching. I don't know what is happening. We're starting last. We got like 12 people here tonight. Nice little old school double hairpins layout. Straight up racing. Let's go! Come on, let's go. Okay. Oh boy, this is good. Oh, okay, this is good. All right, great. Good. Go, Dave. Let's go, Dave. Wow. Oh, God bless America. Ow. That's a great start. Good. Let's go, boys. Okay, all right, let's see. How are we going to get around people? Oh, goodness. Okay. We got it. It was a little messy, but we got it. Little messy, but we made it, huh? That might be the mantra for tonight. It's a little messy, but we made it. We'll see how the night goes. Good pass. Let's go. Okay. All right, Dave, let's go. Let's see if we can. I don't know if we can catch who's out in first, but we'll see. We got a few laps left. Dave and I certainly have the experience to catch up, so we'll see. I'm not sure anybody else in our particular heat has the experience on that track like we do. So, I'm glad we're doing it reverse, to be honest. I mean, in forward this is fun, but like, it's definitely more of like a time trial if we're doing this in forward. But in reverse, actually, good passing opportunities, a lot of fun. This is like, honestly, like kind of a tough braking zone to do correctly. Big fan. All right, Dave, let's go. We're catching them. 7 laps left. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's what I get for looking at the board. But it's okay. I didn't. We're pretty much caught up. Not a big deal, I don't think. If I can somehow make a move on both of them at once, we will be in magical Christmas land. Let's go. Okay, now we gotta get past you. Oh boy, sorry, bud. Sorry. Okay, good. Let's go. 6 to first, let's go. I did set it up, but I gave it I got a little bump when Dave ran into me. I don't typically like to bump pass, but sometimes it just kind of happens. Not that Dave did anything wrong. I mean, he was in the spot, so I would just consider it like a racing incident, to be honest. Pretty happy I went from 6th to 1st, I'll tell you what. We just got to hold off Dave for a little bit here. And we'll be taking one home probably. I mean, to be honest, this cart feels amazing also. Like this, it turns so well. The tires aren't cooked. This is honestly, I'm not even sure it's like that fast, but like all the rest of the aspects of this cart is probably the best I've felt in a cart in a long time. So that's great. Let's go, let's go. Alright, we're back for qualifying heat 2, starting pole. I went from 6th to 1st on the first one, so that was really cool. Love to get first again. Hot take. Let's go. Uh-oh. Dave's cart is definitely pulling on me. That's not good, huh? Oh, I think the gas pedal sticks. That could be the reason. Oh, it doesn't want to turn either. Oh boy, yeah, it doesn't want to turn. That's not good. Oh yeah, Dave's on me. Yep, I see you, Dave. I see you, bud. I see you, bud. I see you, bud. Yep, I know. I know, it's gonna be a long... Ah, Dave! If you're gonna be smacking me, I'm gonna park it there. That's all I gotta say. I'm gonna make you work for it, Dave. That's all I gotta say. You're definitely faster than me in this cart. I actually think I might already be doing the thing that Steve told me about in that curve. He might just be doing it better than me. He mentioned like a different way to do that curve that doesn't involve braking heavily there. So we're kind of testing that out also. Yeah, Dave is on my butt, I'll tell you what. I will tell you what. I'm gonna make it hard for you to pass me, Dave. That's all I gotta say. I'm gonna be harder to pass than a kidney stone, in the words of Lee. We are gonna make it difficult. I think you're gonna get me at some point. You're gonna get me at some point, I'm pretty sure. You're gonna get me. But I am gonna take this defensive line as long as I can. Oh no, okay, we're fine. We're fine. I'm sorry, Dave, I have to do this. Oh no. Okay, good. He bumped me. He bumped me. He bumped me. Ah, Dave! I'm keeping this inside if possible. Okay, I can't keep it. He's too fast. Oh, good job, Dave. Good job, good job, good job. Let's battle, Dave. Let's battle. I kind of messed up. Yeah, it doesn't have the acceleration to keep up. Unfortunately. Oh, it doesn't want to turn either. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Oh yeah, 19's a good cart. Yep, that's fine. Oh god, there goes the seat. Alright, that's okay. Second's fine, second's fine. Second's fine. It's unfortunate I couldn't hold on, but his cart's definitely a little better than mine. That's okay. He's also just talented too, so it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Where'd you put them? Where are they at? I don't know. What do you mean you don't know? I saw you with them. They're gone. I saw you with them. You don't get them. Where'd he put them?
Shoes is the hint.
Shoes? I thought you had them. You put them behind the shoes? This is absurd. Ugh, give me this. Give me this stupid thing. Get out of here. Well, we're back for the feature race. We're doing a leader outside the cones race, which is basically like a casino race. It's kind of like RNG based. And I wish you would have told me that first, because I complained a long time about how I was actually supposed to be starting pole based on my time. Because there's a lot of complaining, I'll tell you what. Oh boy, people do be aggressive. File in, Dave. Because it's leader outside the cones, I'm just gonna file in. Brian, please. Brian, please. Brian, please. Bless America, Brian. Oh, gosh. Clay, please. Oh, boy. Good start. Good start to the old race here. So yeah, leader outside the cones. As I mentioned, it's kind of a random thing, because every time we hit that cone section, the leader has to take it. So essentially, everyone gets shuffled around. So not necessarily the person who has been the fastest is the person who is going to win the race. Which is a little disappointing. But it makes for some fun racing, because everyone gets bunched up, which is fun. Oh no! Caution time.
2 seconds later.
All right, we had a little cone problem, so we're doing a little single file rolling restart after they fix that. Should be going green this time. There we go. Yeah, I honestly think that thing that Steve mentioned before is pretty good. I gotta practice that now. I think, I mean, the way I was doing is pretty fast too. I don't really know which is better. I need to like test to see which is actually a better strategy for this corner. So we'll see. I definitely messed it up immediately. Whoa, somebody's on my side. I don't know who that was. Oh boy. Come on, boys, let's go. This thing definitely does not have top speed, but so it's probably a good thing that we are doing we are outside the cones. Because I'm not sure I would have been able to hold on. I mean, it's good enough. Don't get me wrong. It's good enough. It's good enough. It's not like race losing speed. But like you can tell, like other karts are kind of pulling away from me in certain sections. At least that's what it feels like. Oh, went over that one. Let's go, Brian. Let's go, bud. Let's go, bud. All right. All right. You did not make that curve. You just kicked me with your back end. I wanted to have a nice little too wide section, and you just smacked me with your butt, Brian. Oh boy, people are getting loose in that turn, which makes sense. It's a hard braking section. It's a pretty common thing that people get loose there because it's such a hard braking section. So a lot of people brake too hard, and they lose traction. They get a little wide. Not a little wide. The tail brakes a little loose. I don't know. Am I saying things that make sense? Can anyone hear me? Is this thing on? I don't know. Get in there. Let's get in there. Oh, somebody is pushing me through there. Oh, Clay. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm sideways. I'm sideways. I'm sideways. I'm sideways. Okay. Oh, my God. Bless him. Holy moly. What in the world? Oh my goodness. That was absurd. Baby.